Hi Paris, what's happening y'all? Blessed Thursday morning from my Jamaican home to wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, I hope it will be good night when you get the chance to watch this little market haul. Long time I don't see me coming on. But I just come from market and I just catch my shower and I say let me share with you all what I got. In no particular order, I have here some nice green bananas, and look here, from your look on them green banana, you know they are soft, pale color skin, and them soft and nice. Okay, I've got me some ripe plantains. I've got me here some ripe bananas. Alright, and some people tend to mix up the ripe plantain and the ripe banana. Ripe banana and ripe plantain are two different things, as you can see. The plantains are always taller. Yeah. I've got me here a breadfruit. Breadfruit start coming now. Nice breadfruit. Not true, comment. It's not bad. I leave the prices for you in the description as usual. And to be honest, this is not bad. I hope it good. And following this all, I'll be doing a little vlog, and maybe you see me I go look about the breadfruit in that vlog there. And I go look about some food in the day and probably just and do some little, you know, I maybe just make a vlog and carry all around. I've got me some St. Andrew, fresh St. Andrew scallion, and I can just as well show you the time because it and the time buy together. Scallion them not so fat again, but I not say nothing because I drought time now. St. Andrew scallion, fresh St. Andrew scallion and time. Got me here some pak chai and one head of mustard. We call this mustard. I don't know what you call it. I feel for some shrimp and vegetable. I see the veggie, but I not see the shrimp. I haven't got carrots. I didn't see any nice carrots, so probably Saturday morning or some around go back. Or if I can get a packet at the supermarket reasonable. I've got me here 2 cabbage. Them not so firm, but me go on with them. We got some cabbage. I've got 2 packs of garlic. I've got me here some sorrel. Sorrel they both know sometime too. Got right here a piece of pumpkin. I've got right here some spinach, some fresh pimento seeds. Yeah, you see what I'm fine. Them are the one with the eat. I've got me here 2 nice pieces of yellow yam. I'm gonna do a roast yam and roast saltfish going at the backyard. If you want me to do a video or to take you along, comment. I'll be doing this for the weekend. Me feel this little menopausal baby is feeling for a lot of things. I'm just craving, not for today. May I crave salt mackerel and roast breadfruit for today, and also I'm craving roast yam and cook up saltfish or roast whatever saltfish. So if you want to see me do that in my vlog or in a video for this channel, comment. I've got me here some little pickle looking cucumber, but these me not make no pickle. These are the cucumbers I like. I have here some serious pepper. Them call them one here ghost pepper. Them look brown one here. Them really hot, and the pepper them look joutish cause time hot. I've got me here some papayas. And last but not least, I've got me here some limes. And I think right here, oh no, I not left out my dry coconut. I've got me here a bone dry coconut. So there are a few things missing, like carrot, but my bag got heavy, to be honest. So I decided to make cut another time. I'll get it at another location or some other way, or may work it out. So this is what I have for you today. I just shared with you, and as usual, me give a little hint in the description. How much was it? And I'll add that if you care to look. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. As we roll right on here on the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain, never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please let me know in the comment section.